The Dell G16 7630 gaming laptop offers an outstanding combination of power and performance, equipped with the Intel i7-13650HX processor. I have provided the link to this gaming laptop in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. This laptop is designed not only for serious gamers but also for content creators and professionals who demand speed and reliability. The 16-inch QHD Plus display with a 240Hz refresh rate and a 3 milliseconds response time ensures every frame is sharp and smooth, offering immersive visuals with vibrant colors thanks to 100% DCI P3 color accuracy. This means whether you are racing in fast-paced games or editing high-resolution videos, you get crystal-clear motion without lag or ghosting. The large screen combined with high resolution elevates your experience beyond ordinary laptops, making it a true powerhouse in both gaming and productivity. Memory and storage are where the Dell G16 truly shines. It comes with 32GB DDR5 RAM, allowing you to run multiple applications and heavy games without any slowdown. The massive 2TB SSD provides lightning-fast data access and ample space for your games, creative projects, and important files. This ensures you never run out of storage or have to compromise on speed, making it a future-proof choice for years to come. The design of the laptop complements its powerful internals with a sleek metallic nightshade black finish and a one-zone RGB backlit keyboard that enhances your gaming setup and provides comfortable typing in any lighting condition. Windows 11 Pro comes pre-installed with Microsoft Office Professional, making this laptop ready for both work and play straight out of the box. The integrated HD webcam is ideal for streaming or video calls, adding to the versatility of this device. Overall, the Dell G16 7630 gaming laptop combines high-end components with a thoughtful design to deliver a robust, stylish, and efficient machine. Whether you are battling enemies in the latest AAA titles, multitasking across demanding software, or simply enjoying media, this laptop handles it all with ease and style. With excellent build quality, high refresh rate display, and powerful specs, the Dell G16 7630 is a smart investment for anyone serious about gaming or professional work.